Hi, everyone. This is a quick check-in just to let you know kind of where we've been and where we're going. Our team has had a shake-up, all for good reasons. Everybody going to places that they are pursuing their happiness. And we have a great team now. I have had the pleasure of working with the Southwest College of Naturopathic Medicine here in Arizona. Naturopathic medicine is a passion of mine. It's helped me personally. It's helped my family members. It's something that I think is really in the forefront of medicine, working integratively with traditional medicine. And I also was able to work with the AANMC, which is the Association of Accredited Naturopathic Medical Colleges, and they oversee all the accredited naturopathic medical colleges in North America. So it's been a real pleasure, and that's kind of what's had my focus over the last couple of years, and why we haven't really updated the website, because between those pursuits and other clients, we've been busy, which is a good problem to have, but it also is against all the rules of what I tell my clients to do, which is never neglect your website. But what did I do? I did that. So I'm going to do better. Shame on me. But we're really glad to be back, and would love to hear from you. Any questions, any ideas? And also, if you have content marketing needs, or if you'd like a strategy session, contact us. We'd love to hear from you.